How to install your FォルボAllura click floor. First, what do you need? A pencil, ruler, chalk line, hooked blade, utility knife, spacers, and a mallet. Let's get started. Step 1. Make sure that you are satisfied with the flawless condition of the flooring delivered. Color consistency can only be guaranteed for deliveries of one production batch. Please acclimatize Allura Click for at least 24 hours at the location where it will be installed. Put a maximum of 3 boxes on top of each other in a decent pile. Allura Click should be laid at a room temperature of between 18 degrees C and 25 degrees C. Please note that the subfloor temperature must not fall below 15 degrees C. Step 2. Place the underlay. Unroll the underlay from the corner to the other side of the room and cut it with a utility knife. Step 3. Install your floor. Always work from left to right in the installation area. While doing this, the tongue sides of the panel point to the wall. Put the first spacers left between the wall and the plank. Click the next plank under a low angle into the following plank. Make sure that the plank is aligned with the plank before. Hammer the planks smoothly into each other. With the help of suitable spacers, ensure a continuous joint of at least 5 mm width all around. Tip: use leftover pieces of the floor covering as spacers. Continue this way of working till the end of the row. Step 4. Cut off planks. Once on the end of the row against the other wall, place a plank exactly over the last plank. Afterwards, place a next plank against the wall, over the other 2 planks. Place a spacer in between for the right distance. Cut with a utility knife over the middle plank along the top plank. Bend the plank on the place where it has been cut and it will break smoothly. The cut piece can be used in the free space at the end of the row. The other part can be taken to start with on the other end of the space. This is your starting plank. Install the floor in this way in the whole area in no time. Step 5. Cut off the rest parts of the underlay floor. When the total floor has been installed, please cut off the still visible parts of the underlay. Afterwards, plinths can be installed. Your Allura Click floor is ready to be used.